Merhaba arkadaşlar. Bugün sizlerle birlikte GTA 5. Şu araba güzelmiş. Arabayı mı alsam? Neyse. Konumuz o değil. Arabamız var zaten. GTA 5'te görev yapacağız abi. Hadi bakalım. Kazamız mübarek olsun. Bu da güzel lan. Niye böyle bir ses yapıyor ya? Sanki 300'de gidiyorsun. Bu ses ne? Araba 110'da gidiyor. Sanki 300'de gidiyor ya. Gidiyormuş gibi yani. Arkadaşlar şimdi Allah'ın izniyle sizin de desteğinizle YouTuber olacağım. Kafayı taktım. Her gün böyle videolar geliyor. Şuradan bir elinize yüzü değiştirmeniz lazım. Tamam konuşma, ne diyorsun sen? Şurada bir avla var, avlanın önünde.
Ah, excuse me. I got this interview at this tech company. I'm thinking I need something, I don't know, geeky, youthful.
Lost your job and the world's moved on, huh? That's too bad.
I didn't lose my job.
Of course. Got too old, got
el
outsourced.
kol
Same
nedir?
thing happened to my dad. Now you gotta fit in with a different generation. Hmm?
Allah'a bak ya.
What about a vest and some cargo shorts?
All right.
Oradan bak diyor işte kendi. Bakalım abi. Olur mu? Michael'cığım. Yeşil alalım. Tamam.
Dignity aside, I think that might just work.
Ya çok konuşma.
Good luck at the interview.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye. Yine al arabayı.
Michael,
I'm all dressed up. Now, you want to run me through this thing?
the prototype is somewhere in the Life Invader office. Find it and fit it with the device in your bag.
They just gonna let me in?
Why wouldn't they if you look the part? Hang around till someone opens the door and act entitled.
Fine.
Öğretmen lan. Hadi abi. Kaportayı da uçurduk. Yapacağım peki bu da.
Oh, great. PM's pushing for more functionality. But we are maxed. I mean, if anything, we have to strip features, especially if we plan on releasing a fully priced update a year later. Oh, you know, it's...
Yeah, well, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know?
I mean, we're talking beta in Q4, maybe Q3. Look, milestones are one thing, but when design is changing its mind seemingly overnight, there's not much you can do about it. You know what I'm saying?
My
Hadi
union
işe
allocated smoke
geçelim
breaks
ya.
about
Geç ne
up,
var
so...
sende?
Wait a minute. Do I know you?
Yeah, I think so.
IT temp, right?
Yeah.
You know, you gotta do something for me.
You gotta put it in a ticket.
No. I'd like to keep this one out of the database, if you know what I mean. I'm turning consultant when we release. Consulting consulters. You know, a consultancy. I'm kind of big on the conference tour already.
Konuşuyorum ya, var.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Chill out on the beanbag. Marcus will be right out.
Oh, I'm gonna take a normal chair. I have a terrible back.
Here you go. If you guys let me use the OS I requested, this wouldn't be a problem.
This is a filthy hard drive, bro.
Baksana neler yazıyormuş bu.
Got any antivirus software?
I think so. Behind this junk on the left. Clicked an NSFW link, bro. Bit me on the ass.
Yeah, not safe for work, huh? You know, my son's computer runs into the same kind of problems. I'll close the pop-ups, see what I can do.
Your son codes? Start him early, bro. You write your best stuff in your tweens. After that, it's just a hack job.
There you go. How about I run the antivirus software? There it goes.
Senin yapacağın için.
Rocking out might get you in the right headspace.
Give me a second, will you? And that should do it. Why don't you try and keep things strictly safe for work from now on?
Hey, have you seen the prototype in the demo room? When Norris announces it at the keynote, minds are gonna blow.
Yes, they are.
When we go mobile, we'll be able to track all their movements. We'll know everything. That's so cool.
Arkadaşlar şimdi görev olduğu için bir şey yapamıyorum. Görev olmasaydı onun ağzını burnunu kırardım onu. Şu yapacağı bak ya. Değişik hareketler yapıyor.
Oh, nice.
Hadi. Hadi gidelim. Acımasın mı kafayı?
Dude, when it blue screens again, you're my guy.
Bye now.
Ya sus konuşma. Yemin bunlar da hepsi usluydu da şunlara baksana şimdi. Ne değişti hareketler yapıyor. Sen ne yapıyorsun kanka? Baba şuna bak. Kafayı yemiş ya. Neyse.
Sit. Foot bang, dig fast.
Şunlara bak.
Ow!
Sizin
Come
ne
on, you're gonna have to learn
yapacağınız.
the foot bag if you want to get a job here, okay? Follow me.
Okay.
Oh. How's your air guitar?
Oh,
Some a-hole drank my effing hemp milk. There was a totally non-passive aggressive
I know.
note on it. If I drown in mucus, it's your fault, you illiterate effing seas.
Şimdi hızlıca geçelim arabayı.
Hey, Michael, hold on. Domed! I domed ya!
Lester, the thing's in the prototype. I'm going home to watch the keynote.
Teabag time, my friend!
Lester, did you hear me?
Sus konuşma. Ya deme. Yok abi. Aracı sanmayacak böyle. Şimdi eve geldik abi. Yok lan aşağı inecektik.
god, you guys are so lame.
Out.
No, I'm watching the
Arkadaşlar
Maid of
şimdi
Shame.
Fuck your tits.
rica etsem bir 2 saniyenizi ayırarak YouTube'a abone olup beğeni atar mısınız? Yani kanalın büyümesi için. Teşekkür ederim şimdiden.
The most racist guy in
Göster
America.
kanala. Göster.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jay Norris to the stage.
Hey, this company has come a long way since we started it in my parents' pool house in East Caraway. Today, you're about to witness a new phase. Full-on, weapons-grade, red alert, world domination! We have put 1 billion people's private data in the public domain, and we have milked every penny we could in the process. And we have one of the youngest workforces in the world. An average age of only 14.4 years? That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary! Today, right here, we're about to make the next step. Prepare to witness the future. The Life Invader mobile device. Yes, we've invented something no one else has ever thought of. A small, personal, computerized device. Now you're going to be able to stay docked 24/7. On the bus, you can dock. On the subway, stay docked. You can be docked in at home, and at the same time, you're docking with some kids at the public pool. We went to the guys at Fruit Computers, and we told them we wanted to make our hardware as compatible as possible. Oh, hold on a second. I think someone's trying to dock with me. Hello?
Allah rahmet eylesin.
Oh, Jesus! Whoa!
Adam paket oldu.
Whoa!
Arkadaşlar videomuz burada bitecek. Bitti yani görevimiz. İzlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Dediğim